Are you looking for the Yale Assure Lock? In this video, we will show the top 3 Yale Assure Lock. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 1. Yale Assure Lock 2 Touch Deadbolt. Satin nickel keyless entry door lock with touch digital keypad and fingerprint scanner. Brand, Yale Security. Special feature, auto unlock, battery indicator, biometric, one-touch lock, passcode unlock. Lock type, biometric, keypad. Unlock with your fingerprint, the one key that is completely unique to you and can never be lost. With a 99% accuracy and 0.5 recognition time, your fingerprint is the fastest and most secure way to unlock your home. Lose your keys. Enjoy secure keyless access for your family, friends, dog walker, house sitter, and more. Offer fingerprint touch or share virtual keys on the Yale Access app. Security at your fingertips. The one key that can never be lost or duplicated, your fingerprint. Also, ensure only the right people have access with two-factor authentication, biometric verification, and matte keypads for fingerprint resistance. Your entryway, elevated. With multiple ways to lock and unlock your door, including biometric touch, home access is smarter, sleeker, and more convenient than ever before. Hands full? No problem. A door that auto-unlocks as you approach. Now that's a warm welcome. With this hands-free option, you don't need to touch your lock or your phone. Always let Yale get the door.
Number 2. Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt Lock with touchscreen keypad, keyless front door entry, app control, Alexa, Google Home, and Airbnb compatible, matte black. Brand, Schlage. Special feature, door locks. Lock type, keypad. Material, zinc. Anywhere access. With built-in Wi-Fi compatibility, you can easily and securely connect your Schlage Encode Deadbolt to your home Wi-Fi network to control and monitor your home from anywhere with the Schlage Home app. Peace of mind. Lock and unlock from anywhere. Manage up to 100 access codes for keyless entry. View lock history. Receive customizable notifications and easily manage multiple locks at once, all when paired to the Schlage Home app and connected to a secure Wi-Fi network. Voice control. Works with Alexa and Google Home for optional, hands-free convenience when paired with the Schlage Home app and a voice-enabled device. Advanced security. Secure, encrypted connection, built-in customizable alarm for door movement and forced entry attempts, fingerprint-resistant touchscreen, certified highest residential security, durability, and finish rating by BHMA industry experts.
Number 3. Yale Assure Lock 2 with Wi-Fi. Oil-rubbed bronze smart lock for front door with keypad, app control, backup key, and deadbolt. Secure keyless entry door lock. Brand, Yale Security. Special feature, auto lock, auto unlock, battery indicator, passcode unlock, Wi-Fi. Lock type, deadbolt, keypad. Material, metal, zinc. Key-free access, your way. Everyone that needs access can choose their own way to unlock, whether it's the keypad, voice assistant, auto unlock, or the Yale Access app on your smartphone or Apple Watch. This product will not work outside of the US or Canada. Don't worry, it's locked. Never worry again about remembering to lock the door. Yale can be set to auto lock once DoorSense detects that the door is closed. Not home? Use the app. We know that even when you're not home, it's still on your mind and your to-do list. Lock up, let someone in, receive notifications, and share access from anywhere using the Yale Access app. This product will not operate outside the US and Canada.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.